Imagine you are driving down the highway and suddenly your transmission starts shifting erratically. Or even worse, your engine just refuses to start in the morning. That is the kind of headache the P06B0 code can bring into your life. Basically, this code is your car's way of screaming that the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, has lost contact with the power supply for a specific group of sensors labeled as Circuit A. Think of it like a breaker tripping in your house, but instead of the lights going out, a whole section of your engine's nervous system goes dark. This is a generic OBD2 code, meaning it can pop up on anything from a Ford to a Mercedes-Benz, but the fix is not always one size fits all. The PCM is supposed to send a voltage signal, usually 5 volts or full battery voltage, to sensors like your oxygen sensors or transmission components. When it cannot detect that voltage returning or flowing correctly, it sets this code and lights up your check engine light. This is definitely a severe issue. Because this circuit powers critical things like the transmission or fuel management sensors, ignoring it could leave you stranded or cause drivability issues like stumbling, hesitation, or a complete no-start condition. So how do you tackle this? First, do not panic, but do not ignore it. You will need a diagnostic scanner and a digital volt-ohmmeter. Before you start tearing things apart, look for other codes. If you have a specific sensor code along with this one, fix that first. A pro tip is to check for Technical Service Bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific year and model. Sometimes this is a known software glitch that a dealer needs to update. If there are no bulletins, you're going to have to get your hands dirty. Check the fuses first, but test them under load. Do not just look at them. Then inspect the wiring harness for cuts, burns, or corrosion, especially if you've had rodents nearby. If the wiring is good, you might be looking at a bad PCM, but that is the last resort. Remember, electricity is invisible, so use your meter and patience to trace that lost voltage.